Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the S Pen to remotely play or pause music in media player in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now here in advanced features click on S Pen and then click on air actions. Now first of all turn on air actions and then scroll down and here turn on this media button. After turning on this button you can play or pause the music with the S Pen button. So now to check, open the music app and now just press and release this button to play the music. And to stop this music, again press and release the button and it will stop the music. So that's how you can use the S Pen to remotely play or pause music in media player in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.